Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Faren, your fashion guru, and today we're going to be talking about the loop turner. What the heck is this tool? And what are some of the unknown uses for this tool? There we go. Let's get into it. This thing is pretty magical. It can help you do many other things other than turning loop. Sometimes you want to make this really skinny strap. This will help you turn it to the other side. If that was clear. It's clear. Okay, let's get into how to actually use a loop turner, and then we'll get into the unknowns. I have already prepped one of my tubes here, a 1-inch strip, folded in half and stitched at 1/4 inch. We're going to put in our loop turner, put it all the way to the end, and just hook your hook onto the end. It needs to sort of roll in on itself. What could help is even trimming down some of your seam allowance to probably 1/8 inch. Here we go, we got it started, and you just keep pulling all the way to the end. Take your loop turner off, voila. It's pretty magical, right? Now you can just give that a press and you have your loop. Okay, so on to the unknown uses for this loop turner. So for instance, we have this hoodie, very annoying. We have the draw cord. It is lost somewhere in this casing. The loop turner is so magical, it can retrieve this for you, okay? So you just take your loop turner, you stick it through the casing, you find out where your draw cord is, you hook the hook onto your draw cord, and you magically pull it through, retrieving the draw cord again. Amazing, right? Okay, seriously, put a knot on the end of your draw cord because you're gonna lose it every time. Unknown use number 1. Unknown use number 2. This probably isn't really like an issue that is very common. It's not really an issue. It's just something I've figured out. So I made these like cute little straps, right? So I made the loop, cool, with the loop turner. And then I wanted to put some elastic through it. So how am I gonna do that? The loop turner, you can magically pull your elastic through the loop. Now let me show you this. You put your loop turner through your already made loop here. Then you take your elastic and you hook it on the hook here, and then you pull it through your loop. The loop turner is also amazing to make scrunchies. So if you're making a scrunchie and you need to pull the elastic through, this is a great way. You can make like a little covered elastic by using your loop turner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help the algorithm and I would love you forever. Don't forget to subscribe down there, and I'll see you next time. I guess in the next video, which is gonna be about super skinny loops. I mean, super skinny straps. There is a trick to it. So this is your fashion guru signing off. Bye. Hi everyone, I don't know what I'm gonna say, so I'm gonna go back down. Cool. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna have a new energy, okay?